Okay, students, assalamu alaikum. Hope you are well and please be safe and maintain the rules of the quarantine and lockdown in this situation. Today, we are going to discuss about narration. Before the vacation, I have already sent a Google Doc link on narration. However, today in this class, I am going to discuss some more things about narration and repeating the previous things which I have already posted through the Google Doc document. Now, what is narration? There are two kinds of narration we know, that direct narration, indirect narration. So, let's see a sentence. We are beginning from the zero. So we can see John said to Jack, I watch this show regularly. Here, when I am transforming it into indirect narration, this is basically in the direct speech format. Here we see the main verb of this portion, which is not in the inverted comma, that is called reporting verb, while the portion which is in the inverted comma, that is called reported speech. Now, the reporting verb will be turned like, if there is said to, then it will be like John told Jack. Then the inverted comma will be raised, that he watched. Watched. Instead of this, we will write that. John told Jack that he watched that show regularly. So, we are changing the simple present tense into simple past tense. If it would be in simple, if it would be in present continuous tense, like John said to Jack, I am not changing the names of the listener and speaker. Said to Jack, I am watching this show now. So it would be changed into John told Jack that he was watching. Instead of this, we are going to that. Instead of now, we are going to use then. So the present continuous tense will be changed into past continuous tense. And there are some words which denote the nearby sense that will be changed into faraway words. For example, this will be changed into that, now will be changed into then, here will be changed into there, and yesterday will be changed into the previous day. So there is a list of these words. Please go through any book and you will get this list. Please, you have to memorize this list. Again, in the case of tense changing, also you have to memorize the tense changing. Although I am showing this on the whiteboard, that is, when I am converting any present tense, it would be changed into the respective past tense format. So the the present indefinite form will be changed into past indefinite. The present continuous will be changed into past continuous, and the present perfect will be changed into past perfect, as we will see. John said to Jack, John said to Jack, I have watched the show yesterday. Now it would be changed like John told Jack that he had watched the show yesterday will be changed into the previous day. So John told Jack that he had watched the show the previous day. That is, when I am saying that I have watched, it will be changed into he had watched. The reason behind it is we are changing the present indefinite tense, the present perfect tense into the past perfect one. Now, the last one, that is John said to Jack, I have been watching this show for 2 hours. Now it would be like John told Jack that he had been watching that show for 2 hours. So here we can see that the present perfect tense has been converted into the past perfect one. Now, what happens when it comes to change the past tense themselves? Let's watch. John told Jack that he had gone there last night. Now, come will be converted into go. Past indefinite will be converted into past perfect. And we know that here will be converted into there. Last night will be converted into the previous night. So this is actually the rules of converting the past tense, that is simple past will be changed into past perfect. Now what about past continuous? In case of past continuous, this is an example. That is, George said to Jill, I was watching a movie then. George told Jill that. He had been watching a movie then. That is, George told Jill that he had been watching a movie then. The question is, here we are using then, and it is remaining unchanged when I am converting it into the indirect speech. It reflects that when there are faraway words like then, there, that, these will not be changed, these will remain unchanged. Often we make this mistake, that is, we think that okay, nearby words will be changed into faraway words, so faraway words will be changed into nearby words. Like